So here we're going to look at finding the mean, variance, and standard deviation of the example that we did earlier on the responses. I have already typed in those reminder equations for you guys. And we have already found the probabilities from a previous example, so you can see those there. Okay, so let's start with we are finding the mean. So we know that the mean is, so I'm just going to add, so we've got mu. We are going to do the x times the probability. Okay, so again, I'm doing x times the probability, and I'm using cell referencing so that all I have to do is drag this down. And to get the mean, you're going to do the sum of all of x times the probability. And that gives me that 3.48. Now, as I start finding my variance is where you've got to start kind of expanding those columns. So we first need to do x minus mu. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just type this in here. So we're going to do x minus mu first. And that's going to be equals your x value minus your mean. Okay, now remember the mean of the problem is 3.48. And as I showed you in an earlier video, if you put dollar signs around that, it will not move. The other way is you could just do your cell referencing for x and then minus 3.48 in this case. I'm going to go ahead and drag down. Okay. Then, okay, I'm looking here at variance. So I've got x minus mu squared. So I need to do each one of these x minus mu's, and now I need to square them. So I'm going to have x minus mu squared. So equals, and again, cell reference, caret symbol squared, and then I'm going to be able to just drag down. And then we have to multiply that answer times the probability. So I'm going to do x minus mu squared times the probability. So equals x minus mu squared times the probability, p of x. Again, I am cell referencing here. Now I'm going to just drag that down. And your final thing is the sum of all of those. So then we're going to do equals sum of all of those values. And this gives me my variance. And then to find your standard deviation. Okay, so all I have to do to find my standard deviation. So again, this is going to be ST dev here. This is my variance. I'm going to say var. This was my mean here. So this is mu. But I have equals SQRT parentheses, that value, close parentheses, enter. And so there's my standard deviation.